Happy Friday! Hey Team Spoiled. So it's Friday afternoon. I'm on lunch and I wanted to get my weekend started off right. So I'm headed to run some errands. I gotta go to the bank, but I'm also about to grub on some Fatburger, and I'm headed to get some of my favorite shaved ice. I was starving, guys. It's bomb. I'm not even gonna try to eat cute either. All I got was a burger. I don't really like their French fries. Oh, can I go through there? I wonder what'll happen. I'm about to see. Oh no, I'm stuck. Let's see. I think this will take me to where I need to go. I'm trying to get to the dang bank. Oh, that alley. The alley would have worked, but it's bomb. Oh my gosh. I think they put cheddar cheese without me even asking them to. Double score. Oh, this is good. Pulling up to my bank now, or my credit union. Okay, so I just checked off the bank. That's done, and now it's time to get my dessert. I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, you guys don't even know how much I really love this shaved ice place. It's so good. They have the stuff that I used to think they only sold at Disneyland, called Dole Pineapple Whip. Oh, these people get on my nerves with their horrible driving. I'm not even gonna be able to get through to Sawtell. Oh, you suck at driving. These people suck ass. Oh my gosh. Excuse my language, but ugh, I can't stand LA drivers. They suck. But yeah, so this place is called Brian's Shaved Ice, and they stuff it with Dole Pineapple Whipped ice cream, and that's like my weakness. I used to think they only sold it at Disneyland at the Tiki Room, and when I found out that they sold it right here, the game was over. You know, it was over. I've been coming here since, and I used to come like once a week, but now I don't. I live too far away. My brother and sister, my sister still lives on the street. My brother moved away. He bought a house, which is a blessing, but I used to come all the time when I visited them. So, oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Ah! Ah! I'm so excited. So guys, I'm too excited to be here. Like, too excited. Here we are. Brian's Shaved Ice. Thank you for holding the door. I'm gonna get, I don't know what flavor I want, but I'm excited. So before you're on the market, check the watermark. I guess I'll do passion fruit, watermelon, and pink lemonade. And I want it to go. No. Gray. I got my shaved ice, guys. Woohoo! I can't wait till I dig into the Dole Whip. So excited. This is like the most refreshing. I think it's even the most healthy treat that you can opt for during the summertime. It's just ice and a little bit of fruit juice. And it's like so flavorful and bomb. Whew. I feel like I've accomplished so freaking much today during this freaking lunch hour. I've only been gone for 40 minutes.
Damn it, my camera died. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time, Team Spoiled. Bye.